This drone fires seeds and it can plant 110,000 trees a day to help restore the forest destroyed by climate change. The warming planet is creating more wildfires, destroying more trees, and nature is simply not able to restore what is lost. So a startup from Seattle called Drone Seed developed this technology that can plant trees using drones. The CEO claims it's 25 times faster and 50% cheaper than replanting using traditional methods. Not only do they drop seeds, their algorithm tells them which pieces of land are best to plant the trees and the ones to avoid. Each drone is loaded with seed pods that are compatible with local habitat. Each pod is full of nutrients and coated in fiber which help it absorb rainwater and help protect the seeds from the local wildlife, giving each seed the best chance to grow into a full tree. They have a goal of planting over 50 million trees a year to help fight climate change. I invested in Drone Seed in 2021. In just 2 years, I've made 4x my money on paper. You too can invest in companies that change the